slope, tangent, and normal. The slope of a curve at a point P means the slope of the tangent at a point P. The tangent line to a plane curve at a given point is the straight line that just touches the curve at that point. The normal line is defined as the line that is perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of tangency. Because the slopes of perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals of one another, the slope of the normal line to the graph of f of x is minus 1 all over the y prime. To find the slope of the curve y equals to 8x minus 3x squared at point 2 for your solution of this one. Y equals to 8x minus 3x squared at point 2, 4. So your aim or slope equals to y prime equals to 8 minus 6x. So at point 2, 4, your slope would be equivalent to y prime equals to 8 minus 6 times 2 or equals to minus 4. For example, to what point where the slope of y equals the square root of x equals to 1. So your solution y equals to x to the power 1 half. Y prime equals to 1 half x minus 1 half. Y prime equals to 1. So 1 equals to 1 half x minus 1 half, or x there equals to 1/4. So substitute x equals to 1/4. So y equals to the square root of x equals to the square root of 1/4 equals to 1 half. So point is 1/4, then you have that 1 half. So we'll continue with example 3. Find the value of the slope of the curve y equals to 3 minus 4x squared at x cubed at x equals to 2. So in solution, y prime equals to minus 8x plus 3x squared. So at x equals to 2, y prime equal to the slope m, or it equivalent to minus 8 times 2 plus 3 times 4 equals to minus 4. So we'll continue with the number 4. Find the value of the slope equation of the line, tangent line, equation of normal line of the curve y equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 as x equals to 2. So your solution, y equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 at x equals to 2. So yung letter A, y prime equals to 4x minus 3 equals to 4 times 2 minus 3 equals to 5. Yung letter B, y minus y1 equals to x minus x sub 1 at x equals to 2. So y equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Then you have that one, y equals to 2 times 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So the point is 2, 3. So y minus 3 equals to 5 times x minus 2. So y minus 5x plus 7 equals to 0. So yung letter C, normal line. Normal line, y minus y sub 1 equals to minus 1 all over m times x minus x sub 1. Y minus 3 equals to minus 1/5 x minus 2. Or simply you have this one, y minus 3 equals to minus 1/5 times x minus 2. Find the value of the slope equation of the tangent line and the normal line. The curve is x squared plus 2 at x equals to 1. So, solution. Letter A is y prime equals to 2x equals to 2 times 1 equals to 2. Letter B, tangent line. So unit of point, so y minus y sub 1, y minus y sub 1 equals to m times x minus x sub 1. But y equals to 1 square plus 2 equals to 3 at point 1, 3. So your tangent line is y minus 3 equals to 2 x minus 1, y minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So the normal line y minus y sub 1 equals to minus 1 over m times x minus x sub 1. Y minus 3 equals to minus 1 half x minus 1. For simplifying this one, you got 2y plus x minus 7 equals 0.